Hello dears. First of all, I wish you good health and beautiful family life and start this session. It is all about the first letter capital in EditText and TextView in Android programmatically and graphically inside Android Studio 4.0. So, final output of our program will be like this one. If someone is typed in this one, then it is typed with the capital letter of first letter, and this edit text is to type any letter. If someone is pressing this button inside the text view, it will make it first letter capital inside text view. So first letter capital in edit text and first letter capital in text view, both the things we are going to see in this tutorial. So let's start. So as per the guideline, upgrade your studio to Android Studio 4.0. Understanding the view binding, because view binding replaces the find view by IDs. So in this tutorial we are going to be with the view binding. So let's start all about the first letter capital inside edit text and text view. So go to new project inside the Android Studio, and inside the build.gradle file we need to add view binding enable equals to true. So and we need to design these types of screen. The first edit text, it is for to type the first letter capital graphically and programmatically, both the way inside the edit text. Second edit text, where it is hint in the inside that any type here means we can type anything, but if we click on the button, the output on the text view, it will be with the first letter capital. So it is our main aspect to learn. So let's see, and we are going to be with the step number 2. So first I'm going to file new, then new project with the empty activity. Click on next. Just type whatever the name you want to write. I type first letter capital. Okay. Language is Java. Click on finish. All the stuffs are ready. So just go to build.gradle file. Inside that, just type view binding enable equals to true. So view binding, then curly bracket start, and enabled equals to true. Okay. Click on sync now, I think. Okay. So all the capabilities of view binding with this one. So only 2 lines we need to write. It's activity main binding. It is automatically generated class activity main binding, and after that initialize that variable binding equals to activity main binding dot inflate get layout inflator inside Java. After that set content view, just we need to type binding dot get root. Okay. So this is after these 2 lines, we don't have to write any find view by IDs for any components. So let's move to our designing purpose. So I type padding equals to 20 dp, and the first it is edit text. So edit text, first I give the ID equals to edt, it is capitalized. So capitalized. Okay. So width will be I want match parent, and height will be rep content. It is okay. So there is no text. By default text will be here. So just I type int. If there is no text, then it will display int is there. There is no bottom to bottom of parent I want. Then I want text color equals to black has 000 and text size equals to 30 sp. So it is okay. If you want to see on the split screen, you can see by this way also. The first edit text is ready. So just I want one another edit text. So just I copy this one. So copy paste is the best thing. Copy and paste it. So it is any type, means you can type anything over here, any type. Then with the width it is match parent, height it is rep content. So just I type any type. all the things are ready, but top to top of I want to remove this one and I will say top to bottom of. Okay, EDT capitalize. So by that way you can set this way, and margin top I want to set 20 dp. Okay, so second edit text is also ready. After that I want to put the button match parent and wrap content. Just close this one with the id @ id btn underscore show. I want to make the name, and other things are ready. Text size, text color, margin top. Just I copy this one and paste it over here. So text size, but text color I want to make it white. Text size will be 25 sp. Okay, and text over here we need to define some text also. Likewise, make it capital. Okay, whatever the name, make it letter capital with the background of black color. Okay, it's my style, so not worry, but I want to make one thing, and because after all XML output is for the all the things. So, and one more thing is remaining, it is text view. So the last one, so edit text, and after that the last one is text view. So text view, TV capital, I want to make the name TV. We will make it programmatically that after all the things will be typed. It is like this way. So final output will be inside text view. Okay, output text view, but it is after button. Nothing else we need to define. So output inside text view, it is over there. So all the things are ready with the screen purpose, and we will go to our step number 2. It is our case 1, that first letter capital inside edit text with graphically. So we need to set only parameters to XML. So all the beginners, you need to set what is input type. So just I am going to res and layout, and whatever the activity underscore main.xml. Currently if we run, then it will not make the sense. So if only one parameter we need to set, it is a case 1. So input type equals to, there is an text cap sentence. Text cap sentence. It is the first solution how to make the first letter capital inside the input edit text by the graphically manner. So input type text caps sentences. So just press Shift F10. Let's check how we can make it graphically, that if someone is typing on the hand side, it will make it sense with the first letter capital. So I think our output is ready. If we click on it, after all, see this one, then automatically first letter will be capital. So you can see this one. So first case 1 is ready. How to make the edit text graphically first letter capital. Just I close this one and remove this one. So it is the first case. After that we will make the case 2, means step number 3, first letter capital inside edit text programmatically. Let's see, we already removed this line for graphically manner, and we are going to set with the programmatically. So just I am going to write binding dot edt capitalize dot set input type. Then we need to type input type dot, there is text type text flag cap sentences here. So only one line we need to write if we want to set it programmatically. Press Shift F10. See this one, already we didn't write the line of at a graphically, we have set it with programmatically. So let's see, press Shift F10. Automatically the same output, whatever the output in graphically, the same thing will be happen here. So first letter capital, see this one at inside the keyboard. So if you type the first letter capital is here inside edit text programmatically. So the another thing is remaining, it is our case number 3. How to make the first letter capital inside text view. By default, graphically there is an thing that input type equals to text absence, but it will not affect it. So I suggest that if you want to make, you have your core Java sound. So how to make the particular thing, then we are going to make by this way. So if your core Java is sound, what we do, we input any types from the any types edit text. If we click on this button, then output will be whatever the things is written inside the any type, it will become first letter capital inside text view. So let's see and do it by our core Java. So I am type public, then output return type will be string, make it capital is the method name. Whatever the string we want to type, string, any string we can input, it will become first letter capital. So return, then type any string dot substring starting from the 0 ending from the 1, after that dot 2 uppercase will be there, plus anything dot string dot substring starting from the 1 then 2 lowercase. Okay, so it is very easy thing. If your core Java string class is sound, then you can make it by this way also. So just we need to set binding dot btn show dot set on click listener new space control space, then inside that if binding dot edt any type dot get text dot to string dot trim, then it is empty, then just make the toast message toast dot make text main activity dot this, that you have to type anything. So type anything, then toast dot length short is there, and after that dot show method is there, and else part just we type whatever the string we have, and just we are going to make with the substring. Likewise string any string equals to binding dot edt any type dot get text dot to string, and just we need to set it binding dot, you can set tv capital dot set text, then make it capital, and inside that any string just pass this one. So it is programmatically we have set this one. If you want to make this one log dot d, you can type any string equals to whatever the string it is, likewise any string, and if you want to make the capital, control C and just paste it over here, and it's a cap string. I will write cap string, then output will be this one, control C and control V. Let's see, press shift F10. So we need to write programmatically by this way. So programmatically inside the text view, you can make it capital by this way. So inside this one, just we type anything over here, likewise small, and if we click on it inside the make it capital, it will become, see, it will become capital first letter. See this one, small. So it is very useful practical for to make how to make it any text view inside the first letter capitalization. So I think it is very easy, and our as per our final output we have type it likewise this way. Over here inside the first one you can type it capital, and if we write small and click on this one make it capital, it is this one. So as per the desired outcome, I am trying to help other how to make first letter capital inside edit text and text view inside the Android application. Mind well that it is also solution of how to make the first letter capitalization inside EditText in XML. It is also solution for the how to make programmatically first letter capitalization for EditText and how to capitalize the first letter of text inside TextView in Android. So for more update regarding Android Studio tutorial, subscribe this channel, share with your friends. So finally completed all about the first letter capital inside EditText and TextView. Thanks for watching. Like it, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.